Iminyaka ngeminyaka abathandi bebhola bebelokhu bethamela imqhudelwano yebhola lika Nobhutshuzwayo edlalelwe ezindaweni ezifana neSoweto, Alexandra, Thembisa kanye namanye amalokishi. Kodwa ke kuthiwa uma bebuya kulonyaka izibukeli bezingavunyelwe. Kodwa ke lokho akuzange kube namthelele enkundleni njengoba amaqembu iStrokes FC kanye neEldorado Park begabe ngabadlali abadlala ibhola elinenkosi phakathi.
To the field side, the quality never dropped. That's what makes me happy. I've seen the best footballers that I think next season scouts were here. If those scouts can't see good, those players here, something must be said to them. I'm happy that from women football also, that's where I think we need to put some salt so that we put our, more energy on women football development. You understand?
If you look at Strokes, there are many players. General Kobes, Janowski, Hendricks. The list is endless for the Strokes.
Uthando lwebhola kanye nolwamaqembu kwenze ukuthi abantu beze bezobuka ibhola bencike ngothango olubiyele inkundla.
My name is Heidi. I'm from Eldorado Park. I've been here since the tournament started, since Strokes played, and I'm a Strokes supporter.
I'm Coach Tom. I'm with Strokes from the beginning of the tournament right until now. We also have a problem with our supporters. They want to come in, but they don't want us to come in. I don't know how we can sort that out.
Njengoba abalandeli bebengavunyelwe nje, abasakazi bebhola bebeqhubeka nje nomsebenzi wabo benza ukuthi umdlalo ube nesasasa.
We've missed them dearly so, but they've had an opportunity to also be part of us somewhere, somehow, when you get to look at it, because they've also been coming regardlessly of them not being allowed to be here. So they've witnessed some of the games.
Umqhudelwano wakulonyaka ubungoweshumi nesishiyagalombili.